Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, Dumpster Cam. I am coming at you today with some dumpster diving. It is January 1st, 2023. So I hope everybody had a great start to their new year, healthy and prosperous start to the, new year, like I just said. But that means that a lot of stores are closed, including all the Aldis and Gordon Food Service. So I figured I would check out a few dumpsters. It is about noon for me, which means that obviously there hasn't been any new things added today, and there's the potential that people have already checked these dumpsters before me and yesterday, but I'm still gonna check them since they're closed. It makes it easier for me. And even though I'm filming here the intro at Aldi, I think we're gonna start in the video with a Gordon Food Service, but I am excited to share with you, and I just wanted to bring you guys along. All right, we're here at the Gordon's dumpster. It's looking quite full again. It's just so hard. Can't even dig around when it's this full. And that's mostly cardboard, which is a shame because there is a cardboard dumpster, but that is also quite full. Some opened pretzel bites. All right, we got some. Okay, well. All right. Some bread products here. Look, more pretzels. I think honestly though, guys, this might be all we're able to get back here today. Oh, gosh. All right, let me take this stuff to the car. I'm not going to take any more bread, but I'll be back. I just moved a few things around as much as I could, and there's just not anything else reachable in here aside from more bread, which I don't need for my household. So I'm going to leave that, hope somebody else grabs it, and that's going to be it for here. All right, we're here at another Aldi, which I used to dive at, but I haven't been here in a long, long time because it's far away, and I don't like going down this shipping dock, loading dock, but it looks to be quite a mess here. All right. All right, I see some Gatorade. I'm gonna go to the other side. This side just looks a little garbagey, even though this side is dirty. I'm not gonna fight for these onions. It just doesn't look worth it to me, but we have some Alfredo sauce, which I love. Oh, nope, the seal is popped. I'll put it in the garbage though. Cute. Could put that on my cats. It's very warm, so I'm not going to take perishable things today. Okay. We got the Gatorade. That's broken open. Croissant buns. More croissant buns. I'll take one of those. Okay, vinaigrette. Chipotle ranch. Okay. Oyster crackers. Oh my gosh. There's a whole box of spaghetti. I'll take that. Alright, I think that's going to be it here. It's just awfully trashy. We might have some onions there. Those don't look too great. All right. Oh, not too bad of a haul though. Okay, this is a location I've never checked at before, and I'm very exposed. So let's see what we can find. I'll take that. Ow. Sorry, somebody just pulled in. Always makes me nervous. I just don't know about the perishables because it is warm. But I have my grabber with me. And I'm going to dig around a little bit. It's hard though because this one doesn't have the side doors. All right, probably wasn't my best diving, but I got a few things that I will show you in a bit. All right, we are here at my home Aldi now, the one that I dive at consistently. Those other ones I don't go to, so I was a little bit nervous. Bad filming, bad diving, but we should get some better diving here. Hopefully there's at least something in this dumpster. Let's check it out. I don't know. Luckily the rain has kind of subsided. Okay. That's a shame. I would have taken those, but it's just not, it hasn't been cold enough. I don't know. What do you guys think? I don't know how long those have been there. I don't think I can risk it. We got some more buns right there, I believe. I wish those eggs were in that carton. I love eggs. And I haven't found any in a while. Little broken Christmas situation. All right, I'm gonna pause you guys and go get my grabber. All right, we're back. Got some brown and serve little rolls. I'm not going to take those tomatoes because I unfortunately hate tomatoes. I don't know, guys. They look pretty good. Well, let me see if they're actually even cold. I mean, it hasn't been like, 70 degrees. I just don't think I can risk it, unfortunately. Safety first. Some more onions. I love onions. Sorry if you guys can't really see what I'm doing here, but I'm just grabbing some onions. Let me take those sausages out of this box because I'm not going to end up taking those, unfortunately. All right, let's go back to the other side. Empty pot boxes. It's not looking like too much here, but we got a few things in the box over there. All right, I think this might be it. All right, we are back home now. Not the best haul I've ever gotten, but not bad for a day's work, that's for sure. Definitely a lot of things that I will be able to use, eat, and I'm glad I was able to save them from the dumpster. So we'll start right here. These are all the onions that I got. I have 2. I don't know if you heard that, but that was asparagus. He is talking over there. 2 bags of white and 2 bags of yellow. I do prefer the yellow onions, but white are good too. I have this little pet headband. The strap snapped off. I'm sure I could sew that back on if I wanted to, but I would never like put this on my cats, or I mean, I don't have a dog, but I would never put that on their head and then tighten them in so they aren't able to get it off. I mean, I would just put that on, you know, for pictures or something, so that doesn't matter anyways. And then we have all the breads. Let's do those first. This looks super tasty. It is ciabatta panini artisan bread. So I think looks yummy. I'm going to definitely eat some of that. And then, you know, I'll try to freeze what I don't end up using right away. I've always loved these little brown and serve rolls. I think they're extra fluffy and soft, so I have one of those. I took one of the packs of brioche rolls. These are, I think there's 8 of them in there, so that's good. I have some soft pretzel bread sausage buns. So those would have been good with the sausages, which I did not end up taking. And I have one of those packs of little soft pretzels as well. I did end up eating the pretzels that I found at Aldi on Christmas, and they were very tasty, so I bet those will be good too. More bread. I just took one of the rich butter flavor croissant buns. I don't personally need more. And then these flour tortillas I am very excited about. I love tortillas. I found some recently, but they were bad. They had mold on them, so I just ended up throwing those out again. But these are great, so I'm excited about that. These oyster crackers were actually open, so those will be going back into the garbage, as well as this vinaigrette. It is not sealed, and there's no seal on the inside either, so those will both be going back into the garbage. Can't use those safely. I have another can of evaporated milk, and this does look exactly like the mystery can that I found not too long ago, so I think we were right in our assumptions there. I did take this Chipotle ranch dressing. That one is sealed, so that's good. And then there is one missing from this pack of Gatorade, and this one's missing its little jacket. It is the Frost Glacier Berry, what is that? Glacier Cherry flavor. Sorry, that's really hard to see. It's just the white one. I think there's so much sugar in Gatorade, though. 34. Yeah, that's just a lot of sugar, so we'll see. We will see. And then the last 2 things, I got a pack of strawberries and that pack of arugula and spinach mix, which sounds delicious. And these strawberries look much better than those other ones. So those will be washed and put in the fridge. Oh, and I didn't tell you this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I ended up taking 5 of the spaghettis. The other 3 were open at the top. So I didn't take those, but I took 5. So I guess I'll be having lots of pasta. I think tonight, though, I'm going to make some chicken gnocchi soup. They got this little catnip ball for Christmas from my parents, and they really like it. I think I'm going to make chicken gnocchi soup, so I'm going to use an onion, the greens. I'll probably have a roll with it. And I'm going to use some of the chicken that I canned up, which also came from the dumpster, the heavy whipping cream, which also came from the dumpster. What else? The chicken broth that I canned. So that's it. All right. Well, thanks for coming along with me, guys. It's been fun trying to navigate some live dives. It's been easy because I've taken you on days when the stores are closed, but you know, we'll see how I continue in the future. I'm comfortable at those 2 stores, so I hope to continue to bring you along. But as always, thank you for checking out my channel. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel, which is Dumpster Cam. That was a good sneak attack. And I will be back soon with more dumpster, thrift, cat, home, all sorts of fun videos. So thank you guys. I appreciate you as always. I hope you have a great start of your new year.